What is up, guys? You have your boy Groobies. Welcome to downtown Los Angeles. Today we are going to be reviewing a new product. Yes, it's an unboxing. We're talking independent track jacket today. Stick around, check out the review. Alright, just a quick side note on our review videos. I've been asked in just about every review video I've done in the past year, dude, is this a paid review? Because if so, you could be biased. I will tell you guys right now, none of the products that we review are paid reviews. We are simply reviewing these products to help you guys who are starting brands, starting your own clothing line, or creating apparel for your companies to get really good in-depth review of these products, and you guys can see everything for yourselves. So that is the cause behind the cause behind the cause. It is the reason that we make product review videos. It's just putting some positive vibes out there into the community for you guys. Alright, so we received this package. It's stuffed pretty tight. It is an independent trading company box. I've been waiting for this package for a minute. Super happy to review it with you guys right here together. What? Oh yeah, let's do it. So if you guys are interested in starting a clothing line, or you already have a clothing line, you know that it is pretty difficult to find proper jackets that you can easily relabel, that you can brand, that you can do something fully custom with, especially when you consider just the dropshipping world. It's just not that many great go-to options for jackets. I was so psyched when independent trading company released this new track jacket. This is what they call like a polytech jacket. It is 100% polyester, but on the outside has this really kind of super smooth feel. It's water resistant on the outside. On the inside, it is moisture wicking, meaning it takes moisture away from your body. It's a really cool micro fleece on the inside. Wow, I cannot wait to jump in and show these to you guys. But before we do, it looks like we got just about every color here. So this is the black. You'll also see it has the nice 2 white raglan stripes. This is super similar to an Adidas track jacket that has the 3 stripes. It also has the nice raglan sleeves. The raglan sleeves, you can see are the diagonal sleeves there. They're not sewn on straight, they're sewn on at an angle. Dude, super nice, like athleisure wear. Could be like athletics, jogging, doing exercise, going to the gym type of thing. It could also just be hanging around or kind of quick night out on the town type of thing. This one is a navy color. You can see all of the styles do have the white piping on the sleeves. They also have this nice super flexy cuff. Really, really soft, and a similar cuff down at the bottom. The zipper on these guys is also, it's a metal zipper with a plastic zip. You can hear that? Yeah, super clean zipper action, which I love. I hate it. Personal taste, I hate it when zippers get jammed up. This does not seem like it's gonna be the type of situation where you're gonna get zipper jam. This is a nice, really deep red color. Also the 3 stripes. I think a couple of these are gonna be size large and a couple size medium, so I can show you guys both the fit. Looks like a really pretty standard fit. A little slim, I'd say standard really. There's some generous space in there. You can also see on the back of the neck, they have some nice neck ribbing. We also have the independent trading company tearaway tags on the neck, which is great. And many times independent trading company will also have an inside non-tearaway tag that can be cut out, but really still pretty easy to relabel, so that's 2 thumbs up. Whoa, dude, we got this crazy like bright blue color. It's like a Carolina hyper blue or something like that. Warm as it piling up. Oh, this last one, this has got to be the gunmetal. There's some really cool kind of 2-tone, actually like multi-tone colors. It's like all different shades of gray and white threads in there, putting this thing together. Let's see if it carries through. It does carry through to the inside as well on the microfiber. All right, very nice. Very nice indeed. I would say that the go-to embellishment method on these guys is definitely going to be something in the embroidery ballpark, either doing a left breast embroidery, right breast embroidery. These things are great. Sewing a woven label here, sewing a woven label on the hemline. Also private labeling these things, getting the independent trading company tag out of there, sewing in your own tag into the neck. Those are really going to be the go-to embellishment options. There is one other option for doing like maybe big applique block letters on the back, something along that. Screen printing may be possible as long as you're using some lower temperature materials. These are 100% poly, so you can't be nuking these things in the oven. You gotta keep the temperature low. But yeah, you could probably screen print on them as well. Let me throw these things on for you guys so you guys can check out the fit and make sure everything is proper. Alright guys, so this is a large independent trading company track jacket. I am now wearing the gunmetal heather. As a quick reminder, your boy Groobies is 5'9.5", and I weigh about 150 or so pounds. That's plus or minus 5. Good day, bad day type of situation. As you can see, I don't have the longest arms, so definitely a little bit bagginess around the arms for me. I'm okay with that personally. For my jackets, I'd always prefer them to be a little bit bigger so you can cram some shirts underneath. Always doing the layering thing. I definitely like the length of the large garment. So yeah, this is a pretty good fit. It's warm. It definitely makes you want to be active, get out there, do stuff. You can see some close action on the zipper. The neck goes all the way up here. This is a red size medium. Oh, I forgot one of the most important features. They also have an awesome little media pocket right in here, so you can throw a phone, any type of music listening device in there, and you can get access to the cord. Excuse me, it's right over here. You can get access to the cord, pop your cord right through. If you don't have those earbuds, if you're still doing the whole wired thing, boom, in the pocket, cord right through there, right into your ears. Nice little jogging feature, workout feature. Alright guys, so that is the independent track jacket. If you are looking for a premium jacket for your brand or for your clothing line and you're thinking something quasi-athletic, you're trying to invoke that sports metaphor, this is a great jacket for you. Groobies will give this thing 2 thumbs up. It feels like super solid construction. Definitely dig the aesthetics. It's a little bit of a dig on Adidas. The only thing that I could find wrong with this jacket is just there's not a matching companion pants. Everyone knows that full tracksuits are so hot right now, and I wish there was a matching pair of pants. If you guys also feel like independent trading company should be making the matching pants for this tracksuit, please, please, please smash that thumbs up, like button right now. Hit it hard. Sign it with 2 accounts and hit it twice if you got to. Let's see if we can get them to also put out the companion pants. Alright guys, remember, these bad boys are available to sample something. If you just want to create one, you can run these things in bulk, or you can drop ship them using applique.com. So go ahead, check it out. Peace out from downtown Los Angeles. And yeah, that's it. Have a wonderful day, guys.